The biggest manufactured demand is perhaps the materialistic aspect of the American dream. To live this dream costs money. Everyone knows this, and often is the reason why many want to make money. However, the real cost of living this materialistic dream is far beyond money. Evidence is mounting that living this dream costs the health of both the planet and the individual. Where do we go from here would depend on what lessons we take from the current crisis of both personal and environmental health. The World Bank is projecting that energy consumption will increase by 35% by 2035, which will increase water consumption by 85%. Given we are already facing a global water shortage, this is clearly impossible. This illustration, created by scientists at the U.S. Geological Survey, shows just how precious and limited is our water resource. The largest blue sphere represents all the world's water. The second largest blue sphere represents all the world's fresh water, and the tiny blue dot represents all the water in lakes and rivers across the world. This chart came out of the Paris Climate Agreement. You can see the strong correlation between electricity consumption and CO2 emission. The world has agreed that the consumption will continue to climb and will keep the emissions at the same level. How? No one really knows. So, is the American dream over? Well, that depends on what we mean by the American dream. The question is, can there be a less materialistic American dream? A survey showed that only 23% of the population identifies the American dream with achieving affluence. The survey also showed that the majority believes in sharing, and 1 in 3 would like to share more. What is really encouraging is that nearly 2 in 5 Americans voluntarily made changes in the past 5 years that resulted in making less money. 91% thinks we waste too much. 85% feels most of us will need to make major changes. 70% of Americans think we are the ones responsible for the world's environmental problems. One of the problems is that the basic needs seen by 75% as the American dream have been seriously distorted by advertisers and thereby hijacking the American dream.